Hi everyone! Welcome to Your Own Properties PH. It's me again, Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. Today guys, I am pleased to announce the opening of first ever commercial units here at the project of Regent Heights by Pinnacle Homes located at Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, the rising city and soon to be highly urbanized city. Kaya naman, matik po na magtataas lahat ng presyo ng properties dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung saan mismo itatayo yung mga commercial units natin dito. Very limited lang siya, may mga na sold out na. So meron tayong mga 5 or less na pwede mo pang pagpilian. Kasi syempre, pag commercial lots, yun yung, or commercial units, yun yung malapit sa entrance gate at sa harap ng subdivision, katabi siya ng amenities. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Let's go! Para magkaroon kayo guys ng mas malawak na overview, umpisahan ko dito sa entrance gate. So, di ba, ayan o, Regent Heights. Di ba, ito yung entrance gate natin. Ayan, di ba? Tapos highway na yan o. Going to Manila and Quezon City, one ride lang. Flood-free area. Pagpasok mo ng entrance gate, okay, dito itatayo yung ating amenity area. So, dito sa amenity area na to, clubhouse, parks and playground, tapos malaking covered court dyan. Dito, sa street na to, dyan itatayo yung mga commercial units. Yan, tinuturo ko na yan. So, dyan itatayo yun, commercial units. 5 or less na lang yung natitira. Tapos yung nakikita nyo na yun na model unit tsaka office natin, yan yung kapag ka-house and lot yung kukunin. Tapos ayun yung mga ongoing construction natin, diba guys? So ayan o. Ayan. Model unit, turnover unit, marketing office dyan nagre-reserve, tapos yung engineering office. Tapos ayun yung mga sold out na RFO, yung mga pre-selling natin, yung mga katabi nun. Ano lang to? 400 plus units lang yung itatayo dito guys. Tapos so imaginein mo kapag ka nagkaroon ng community dito, tapos andito yung amenity area, andyan yung commercial units, ito na yung entrance. Kaya napakaganda at strategic ng location ng ating commercial. Alam nyo ba guys, ang itsura ng commercial units natin, ganito siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ayan, nakikita nyo sa video ko, yan yung itsura ng commercial units, diba? So, sa taas, kung ikaw ay working, kung ikaw ay gusto mo siyang tirhan, yung taas, pwede mong gawing your own home. And then, yung baba, pwede kang mag-business ng kung ano yung gusto mong inegosyo sa baba. Bigasan man yan, or kung ano man yan, guys, diba? Tapos, kung halimbawa namang may bahay ka na talaga, gusto mo lang pang business lang talaga, yung baba pwedeng commercial, may nagbi-business doon, tapos yung taas paupahan mo ng separate as apartment. 'Di ba guys, no? Kasi nga 2-story siya eh. Nakita nyo naman yung design, 'di ba? Ayan, pinapakita ko sa video yung design nung magiging commercial units natin dito. Kaya naman guys, ano pa ang hinihintay ninyo? For computation of our commercial units, ang pinaka-the best dito guys, hindi mo kailangan ng bank financing at hindi mo kailangan ng pag-ibig. Kasi po, ito ay in-house financing lang. Pag in-house direct kay developer, hindi yan strict masyado, basta ikaw ay capable to pay, syempre. So, let's talk about the computation guys. Here we go. For the total contract price of our commercial units, here it is. And the reservation fee is this. Our monthly down payment is this. And of course, in-house financing up to 10 years. Ito naman siya guys. Kung gusto nyo pang paliitin yung inyong loanable amount sa in-house financing, pwede rin. Lakihan mo lang yung babayaran mo sa down payment. So mababalanse mo siya guys. Nakadepende yan sa'yo kasi this is a what? Pre-selling project. So guys, since we only have less than 5 commercial units, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Contact me directly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, visit my website at www.nicoleshane.com. That's my name. And my Viber and WhatsApp is there. You just have to chat with me or contact me, call me directly so that we can schedule a tripping at mauna ka sa less than 5 commercial units that we have in here. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.